Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but super helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you the right way to save your charts, along with all your drawings and indicators on Deriv TradingView. If you've ever spent a bunch of time customizing a chart and then worried you might lose all your hard work, don't stress. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save everything safely, so you can always pick up right where you left off, 100% guaranteed. Alright, let's dive in. So imagine you've just spent some quality time customizing your chart on Deriv TradingView. Maybe you're drawing support and resistance levels, using Fibonacci retracements, or layering on a few of your favorite indicators. You step back and your chart is looking just right. Basically, it's set up perfectly for your trading strategy. Now, this is the moment when saving your work really matters. If you don't save it, all those carefully placed drawings and tuned indicators could be lost in a refresh, or if you log out unexpectedly. Nobody wants to do the same work twice, so here's what you do. Look up at the top right corner of your screen. There's a blue button that says Save. It's easy to miss if you're in the zone, but that little button is your best friend when it comes to keeping your chart layout exactly how you want it. Just give that blue Save button a click. It might take a second or two, especially if you've added a lot of elements to your chart, but once you click it, all your current settings, drawings, and indicators are safely stored with your Deriv account. You don't have to worry about losing your progress if you accidentally close your browser or your computer restarts out of the blue. Now, for those of you who like keyboard shortcuts, maybe you want to be as efficient as possible, there's an even quicker way. Simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. That's the same shortcut as Save in most other programs like Word or Excel, so your muscle memory probably already knows it. When you press Ctrl+S, TradingView will save your chart instantly. It's a super handy trick, especially if you like to make lots of small adjustments as you analyze different assets. Get into the habit of pressing Ctrl+S every time you make significant changes, and you'll never have to worry about losing your latest chart setup. And that's really all there is to it. Just click the blue Save button or use Ctrl+S. Take a moment to double-check that your chart is saving properly the first time you try it. If you make big changes or add new indicators, just save again to keep everything up to date. If you ever open your chart later and things don't look as you left them, don't worry, just reload from your saved version. Saving your charts regularly is the simplest way to work smarter, not harder, on Deriv TradingView. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or tips of your own for staying organized with your charts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more easy, step-by-step guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and happy trading.